Hey, it's time to make pipe fitting a whole lot easier. If you're staring at a jumble of lines and symbols on an isometric drawing and wondering what you've gotten yourself into, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's break this down step by step so you can read any isometric like a pro, and I'll throw in some super practical pipe fitting tips along the way. First, what's an isometric drawing? Think of it as a 3D map of the pipes you're about to install. Instead of looking at pipes from just above, you get to see how they run up, down, across, and around. Almost like a blueprint, but with depth. The trick is, everything runs at 30 degrees from the horizontal, so it's not quite reality, but close enough to guide you. Now, when you first look at an isometric, don't let the lines overwhelm you. Start by finding the direction arrow or north point. This orients you so you know which way the system is flowing. Next, follow a single pipe run from start to finish. Trace it with your finger. Notice where it rises, drops, or turns. Each bend or fitting is usually marked with a symbol: elbows, T's, reducers, you name it. Here's a practical tip. Always look for the pipe sizes labeled along each run. Typically, you'll see numbers like 2, 3, or 4. That's the pipe diameter. Double-check these before you start cutting or threading anything, because mixing up sizes is a headache you do not want. Now look for notes or callouts on the drawing. These will tell you things like the material, thread type, and any special instructions, like weld here or leave space for insulation. If you're unsure about any symbol or note, check the legend that comes with the drawing. It's like your translation guide. Here's where practical pipe fitting comes in. Before you even pick up a wrench, lay out your parts on the floor to match the drawing. This dry fit lets you spot mistakes before you commit. Make sure your cuts are straight, deburr the edges, and always measure twice before you cut. Trust me, it saves a ton of time. And when you're installing, work from one fixed point, the anchor or starting flange, then build out, one piece at a time. Level and align as you go, and don't tighten everything until the end, so you can make those tiny adjustments. Alright, that's the basics. With these steps, reading isometrics and fitting pipes becomes way less intimidating. Remember, take it step by step, double-check your work, and don't rush. The best pipe fitters are the ones who stay curious and keep learning. Thanks for watching, and happy pipe fitting. Pipefitting Made Easier book available at Amazon. Remember, mistakes can be costly. Remember, knowledge is power.